Hi guys, it's me, Charlie Sierra, and welcome to my channel. Ang topic natin ngayon, Criminology's Licensure Examination, Traffic Management, and Accident Investigation. Sample question and answer. Well, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Disclaimer, hindi po ako konektado sa PRC. Maring may pagkakahawig ang mga katanungan at hindi ko po ito inaangkin at marapat lamang ibigay sa tunay na nagmamay-ari. Maring hindi tama, tugma o tumpak ang mga kasagutan at ipagbigay alam lang po ninyo sa akin ito. Ang mga napiling tanong ay base lamang sa aking karanasan. Number 1, it refers to the movement of persons, goods, or vehicles either powered by combustion system or animal-drawn vehicle from one place to another for the purpose of safe travel. A. Traffic, B. Canals, C. Railways, or D. Transportation. Number 2, what law created the anti-carnapping law in the Philippine setting? A. PD 532, B. RA 6506, C. RA 6539, or D. RA 6713. Number 3, what is the occurrence in a sequence of a chain of event which usually produce unintended injury, death, or damage to property? A. Crime, B. Felony, C. Calamity, or D. Accident. Number 4, the process of giving training and practice in the actual application of traffic safety knowledge. A. Enforcement, B. Education, C. Engineering, or D. Ecology. Number 5 is an act or process of conveying from one place to another. A. Traffic, B. Transport, C. Transportation, or D. Transporter. Number 6, channel of transportation wherein a parallel line of irons were used as a road. A. Bridge, B. Highways, C. Roads, or D. Railways. Number 7, Land Transportation and Traffic Code. A. RA 4136, B. RA 4361, C. RA 3614, or D. RA 6143. Number 8 is the function which direct, supervise, and controls an operation related to the policies in the issuance of license to the drivers and conductor as well. A. Registration, B. Licensing, C. Franchising, and D. Regulating. Number 9 refers to every and any licensed operator of motor vehicle or a person who is actual physical control of a vehicle. A. Rider, B. Driver, C. Operator, or D. Operator. Number 10 is an authority given to a person to operate a private or public utility vehicle for compensation. A. Conductor's license, B. Driver's license, C. Professional license, or D. Expert license. Number 11 is a central of all activities and operations related to the recording of all motor vehicles and collection of registration fees. A. Licensing, B. Accounting, C. Registration, or D. Records. Number 12, the science of measuring traffic and travel, the study of basic laws relative to the traffic law and generation. A. Enforcement, B. Education, C. Engineering, or D. Ecology. Number 13, it is executive functions such as planning, organizing, directing, and supervising, coordinating, operating, recording, and budgeting traffic affairs. A. Operation, B. Manpower, C. Supervising, or D. Management. Number 14, a body of water used to be channel of sea transportation. A. Channel, B. Waterway, C. Irrigations, or D. Canals. Number 15, what enforcement action consists of taking a person into custody for the purpose of holding or detaining him to answer a charge of violation before a court? A. Traffic investigation, B. Traffic enforcement, C. Traffic citation, or D. Traffic arrest. Number 16. It provides for the attachment of seat belt for all types of motors, vehicles, and impose penalty for the non-compliance thereof. A. RA 8750, B. RA 8794, C. RA 7924, or D. RA 6975. Number 17. Mr. Kupa Al, a Chinese tourist, wanted to procure an international driver's license from the Land Transportation Office. To qualify him, how many years old he should be? A. 16, B. 17, C. 18, or D. 19. Number 18. Which of the following is not a danger warning sign? A. No overtaking, B. Rotonda ahead, C. Pedestrian crossing, D. Double sharp bend. Number 19. What is the color of the traffic light located in the center of the traffic signaling device? A. Orange, B. Red, C. Amber, or D. A and C. Number 20. A Latin word, portere, means A. Across, B. Move, C. To carry, or D. To push. Well, thank you and mabuhay. Okay, this is the answer key. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.